Okay, so when you are quoting from a text, if you run into dialogue, okay, which, as you know from text, is always notated with quotation marks, right? There's quotation marks here because Stargirl is speaking, here because Leo is speaking. When you go to actually type up those quotes, okay, any place there was a double set of quotes, you're going to replace with single quotation marks, okay? Always. Within, the only double set of quotes are to the beginning and the end, okay? So here and here. Anything within, notice right here, and then again when she starts speaking again, it's a single set of quotation marks, and then the citation remains the same. So, as an example, I'm going to just pick it up from here. Okay, so we have the highways out of sight. Now I have dialogue. So I'm going to hit the single quotation mark. Do you have the time? Oops. And then again, a single quotation mark here to reflect the double here. I said, and I'm going to just keep going. I don't worry about the change in paragraph. Again, we have a double quote here. So I'm going to use a single quotation mark in my own typing over here. Single quote. Nobody has the time, comma, quotation mark. You can't leave out these commas when you're typing. You must include them. Instead of the double, I put a single, okay? She said, period, single quotation mark, right here. The time cannot be owned. Now I'm going to end my quote right here, so I'm going to not put the period. I'm going to put one single quotation mark for this double quote right here, and then a double quotation mark to signify the end of what I'm citing from the text, space, and then my citation, author's last name, page number, oops, space, page number, parentheses, period. Okay? So what do you do if you starting your quote with the quotation marks? I'm going to switch to Times New Roman because there's some quirks here with that. There we go. Make it 12. All right. So let's just say that I want to start with nobody has the time. Okay? I start with my double quote because that tells the reader I'm now taking these words from the author. And then I'm going to do a single quotation mark. Notice it's turned the wrong way. Okay? To fix that, I'm going to put a space between my double quote and my single quote. And then type nobody has the time, comma, single quote. She said. Now, this is incorrect. I can't have the space here. So I'm going to go back and back it up. Now it's all turned facing the same direction correctly. Single quote here. And I can continue my citation. The time cannot be owned. Single quote, double quote, and then my citation. Spinelli 88. Oops. There you go. All right. So I got my space here, right? I put a space here. I didn't. This would be with no space. This is with a space. That difference. Periods on the outside. Everything looks good. And every place in the text there were double quotation marks. I put single quotation marks in my citation with just the double, two sets of double quotes, one on each end. Okay? If you have any questions, you can ask for my help.